Hello, everybody. My name is Squibbly YT, and here and today we're gonna play Will You Press the Button? It's like Would You Rather. If you don't know what that is, it's basically just like showing. I'll just show you. Would you rather? It's like basically like would you rather do this or this? Like here's a good one. Use Windows 2000 for the rest of your life, or use an 8-inch TV for your rest of your life. But it's basically like that. It's like that. Would you have dogs with a cat's personality or a cat with a dog's personality? Basically, it's just like asking you, would you rather do this or that, have this or that? So yeah, let's just get into this. And sorry if I haven't uploaded in a while. I was just like busy. I have flag football now, and I come back to my house at 4:30, and so it's hard. So let's go. You will, if you press the button, you will be hired at your dream job tomorrow and be paid generously, but you decide not to press the button. What? Basically, thinking about it. Basically, it's a lose no matter what. If you skip, nothing happens. If you press a button, nothing will happen because if you decide not to press the button, so I think it's going to be a lose no matter what. Uh, that's hard, but uh, will you press the button? Choose any car you like to keep for the rest of your life and able to have sex until you're 70. That's a hard one. Sex isn't really important because having a good family is the best thing that you can have, but having a nice car, probably like the car I want is probably the fastest car, so probably a Lambo or something like that, fastest car in the world, because I'd probably like, I would probably like this one because people always think it's the fastest. See, it looks nice, but I always also like a Lamborghini. Like, I would like this or this. Like that. Because I'm into, like, really cool cars and fast. So I would press the button. People would want to have sex. That's disappointing. That everything is about, like, sex. It just bothers me, but who cares? You will get a guitar. What does that mean? I'll check. Copy. Bass. Um, I have no idea what that is. Definition. Um. Oh. Okay, I would be good at music, but you arthritis. Ooh. If you don't know what arthritis is, this is what arthritis is. It's basically a thing that it's like joint. It hurts your joints get pain every once in a while. Like that would be uncomfortable for me. And plus, I'm not like I have a guitar, but I don't think I'd like it because pain is. My gosh, I'm like getting everything wrong. Okay, you've written a number one song, like a really good song. It's the only thing. It's the only thing that you can hear for the rest of your life. Oh yeah, I'm pressing that button again. Again, I don't get this. My gosh. You will be able to master any language of your choice, but you have moved to the country where your language is spoken. I would not, because you'd be going everywhere. If you want, like, if you spoke this language, and as soon as you speak another language, you have to move there, so it'd be annoying. You will have infinite knowledge of everything, but you will only live to be 45. I would want to be smart, but I want to be a normal guy, okay? You will have complete awareness of your deathbed. That'd be horrible. You will know what doesn't come after death, and I've been choosing the wrong choice lately. But you can check this out for yourself. The link will be in the description. Also, if you're like, also just look. Also, you can just look up. Will you press a button or HTTPS? This thing I forget what it's called. What is it? It's a colon / Willie our will you press the button.com. Basically that. So yeah. You can play. I do short gameplay videos, so this is it. And make sure you subscribe, like this video, and yeah, bye.